Hello, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna help you make a mech similar to this, not exactly this, but something similar to this. So this is probably my favorite mech. It doesn't, but it's more like whoa, chill out. It's more like a running one, like a fast mech thing. It goes really fast. It's like a 29, which is really fast for a mech. It also punches like that, and then it also does a little sit. I'm not going to teach you how to do the punching or the sitting, I'm just going to teach you how to make the running. Alright, so let's get straight into it. So for the seat, I'm going to use the operator one. And then I'm going to add a rotating servo like that. Boom. And then I'm going to add a 2x4 underneath, like that. And then I'm just gonna and then I'm just gonna copy down these two, like that. And then all I need to do after that is just add a block, 1x2, boom, 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 like that. And then just add a suspension spring, or straight suspension, whatever you want to call it, like that. And then I'm just gonna add a friction pad like that. And then obviously you need to connect it, so I'm just gonna get a 2x2 shield here. Wait, how do I connect this again? Oh yeah. Like that. And like that. And I'm just gonna place it there. Wait, no, that's wrong. Oh my goodness. Place it there, yeah. And then just do that on the same on the other side. Like that. Okay, everything's connected, so yeah, that looks good. So I think we need some stabilization. They're so good for making robots and everything. I'm just gonna put it on 6. That should be good. We need sideways stabilization. I'm just gonna move these out one so I can fit it. Boop. 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 That is, yeah, and need to make it even. Alright. Wait, are these on 6? Yeah. I also recommend putting some horizontal stabilization, like that. Yeah. And then obviously we need to make it walk, so we're gonna get some OR gates. So the first one, I just want to see which way this goes, real quick. That is the wrong way. Okay. So I'm just gonna do negative, and then a 0.5, and then a 0.5, and then a 0.2. There. And then I'm gonna copy that, and then copy it down there, and then get rid of that, and then do that, you know. Like that. Oh yes, good, very good, very good. I'm just gonna lower the speed on this though. Put it on to 0.5. Up this angle. Put it to 95, and then do that on this as well. 95, and then 0.5. Nice. And then copy this. And do this side, which will be that. I'm gonna add a delay of 0.5 so the legs walk like not together, but like a human does, you know. And then copy that and select the hip servo. And is that gonna be negative or positive? Positive. Oh, so I'm gonna switch that to positive. Like that, and then I'm gonna change it to 7. So So this should work. Oh, why is that not moving? Why is the hip not moving? It's cooked up, so oh, that could be the problem. Yep, look at that. Yeah, so that's your walker, and if you want to make it turn, you can just add a gyro. So, yep, I think that's it for this video. Bye bye.